I've bought my first project car for £1,500. I'm scared.
In this video, you'll see me browse the internet for a project car, buy it, then attempt a service completely by myself. Hopefully, I don't break it.
If that all goes well, I'll crack on with modifying my car, aiming to build it into a proper track car. Now, I enjoyed working on Mike's Rover, but now it's time to get my hands dirty on my own car.
Mike, I want a project car.
That is something I never thought I'd hear you say, but I'm bloody loving it. Tell me the parameters. What are you after?
Something small, nothing big.
Okay.
It's got to look really cool.
Okay.
It's got to be quick.
Good.
And nothing boring.
Okay, I get the vibe. Budget?
1,500 tops.
I'll take eBay, Facebook Marketplace. You take AutoTrader.
Let's do it.
Right, Izzy. I think we've narrowed it down to 3 options.
I think so, finally, yeah.
Okay, so first one, 2006 Mini Cooper S, supercharged hot hatch, kind of cool.
It is quite a cool looking car, I've got to give you that. It is cool.
What you found?
I found a Subaru.
For 1,500 quid?
Yeah, which is interesting.
Dangerous.
Yeah, but I've driven one before, so
Yeah,
you
you've got vibe with that. And then finally, it's a bit of a standard one, but Mark V Golf GTI in black.
I don't love the colour. I'm not loving the vibe, but maybe that's something we could change.
Okay, is there one that's standing out to you?
I'm going to say, yeah, I'm going to say I've made my decision.
Okay, fair enough. Let's go buy it.
My first project car is... It's a Mini Cooper S! I love it. I absolutely love it.
It's
What
in
do you
quite
think?
good nick. 1,500 quid gets you a
looks
supercharged
brilliant.
Mini.
Yeah, I like it a lot. Colour, I think we could improve that.
Okay, well there's some other deeper reasons why I've chosen this, but let's take it for a spin and get into that.
Let's do it.
You're driving.
I am driving.
Do you remember to get into reverse in a Mini? Nice.
Yeah, man.
What you haven't remembered though.
Every time.
Yeah. Izzy, first impressions, go.
I quite like it, you know.
Good.
I really do. It's, well, as you well know, my first car was a Mini.
Right, yeah, it was a convertible though,
It
right?
was a convertible.
Not a Cooper S either, am I?
No.
Okay.
Just a cute little Mini.
Yeah.
I loved that car. I had it for, I think, 4 years.
Okay.
Long time.
So was that, how much of a weighting did that have on this choice then?
Yeah, a little bit, I'm not going to lie. Because who doesn't want to drive their first car again? That's so fun.
Well, I totally agree. It is a bit plasticky,
Yeah, we're not getting the most, it's not luxury.
but we should be tearing most of this out, to be honest.
Yeah,
we want to
we're-
go lightweight.
We're not looking for luxury, we're looking for speed, we're looking for agility.
I have noticed, I've not seen this before, but there is a side little visor here, but because
Yeah.
of your seating position, it doesn't
It's
actually
not
come
great, it's not great. Well, this car is not built for small people, which is obviously ironic because it
That-
is a Mini.
Yeah, that isn't ideal. Should we get a bit of sound of that engine? Drop it down.
Could do
What's
that.
this? Third gear.
Ooh.
Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it pinned all the way. Your rev counter doesn't work.
Yeah,
I just noticed that.
I did sort of notice that.
I was thinking, oh, where's the rev limit? Oh, wait.
Yeah.
We're at. Oh!
Ooh, it's on!
It's witchcraft now. Is it working though? Does it rev? It does!
That is so weird.
This car just fixed itself.
It did.
That's an
okay, if
omen.
it can continue doing that, that would be brilliant.
So that whine, you hear that?
Yeah.
That's the supercharger. So in a turbocharger does that that you get in the Subaru. This is slightly different. Same thing, it's boosting the engine, more power, but I love a sound of a supercharger.
Yeah, it did sound quite cool.
Yeah, so we will also be upgrading that so that it's even louder.
I like that.
There's not many supercharged hot hatches, so you've chosen very well.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing, really. Not gonna lie.
And see how much confidence you've got already. You're
Yeah.
throwing this thing around. Once we've upgraded this, it's going to be an absolute weapon in your hands.
Oh,
Is there any-
have I just made that old woman pull in?
Yeah, you just bullied her into that, yeah?
Oh, I want to go home.
Well, she's come back out
I know,
again.
I'm
You were right up her arse
I
there.
wasn't.
You were.
I wasn't.
You were giving it supercharger,
I
the big
wasn't.
legs. She's thinking, oh my God.
No, I did come up behind it quite quick, but I was aware. Oh, I want to send the car back. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be that person. I'm so sorry. No grandmothers were harmed in the making of this. I feel like it would be fantastic on track.
Yeah, built wild. People race these. The Napa Racing team race minis. They're a great little package to start with, and you upgrade it, they're properly epic. This build is sponsored by Napa, who will be providing us OE quality parts for this car. They extensively test all of their parts to make sure that you guys know you're buying the good stuff that is fit for the purpose. Let's go through the car. Clutch, how does that feel?
It's okay. It's a little bit spongy.
Okay, well that's good because Napa has a brand new clutch range, so we'll add that to the list. Brakes?
Yeah, I feel like it's fine now, but on track, maybe we could sharpen them up a little bit.
Okay, cool. So for anyone that's wanting to build a very much a fast road car, Napa provides OE quality brake upgrades, but we are going to go for a track build. So Napa's partner Brembo will give us a full brake-up brake kit so you can stamp on it,
Bam!
on its nose, into the corner, and you go full Lando Norris. I am seeing some warning lights. I think electronically,
Ooh.
your speedo and the tachometer have a mind of their own.
Yeah, they get a little bit stressed out.
Yeah, that is, I mean, we're probably doing 20. There's lights flashing. There's clearly some electronic issues with this Mini.
That doesn't look great.
No, well that's your temperature gauge, but it's just clearly not working. But this is the scary one. That's your engine warning light, and he's flashing. But I imagine it's all connected.
Yeah.
The car's still running, right, though?
Car's still fine.
For me and Izzy to take the Mini for a quick test drive, we got the car insured through our channel partners, Adrian Flux.
Yeah, see, now you can't resist it.
Engine's fine. Engine sounds perfect.
It feels really smooth. The suspension seems like pretty good considering, what, 117,000 miles?
107. God, that is a lot.
Yeah, I reckon someone's really looked after this car.
We also need to name this car.
Oh. Are you a car namer? You like your dad?
Not always, not always. If the car's got personality, the name will just happen.
Okay, so we just need to naturally, maybe throughout the build process, something will pop up. We have got a tyre pressure warning, so I reckon it's probably got a slow puncture somewhere.
Okay, we can work that out.
Well, let's get it back to the smallest cog then. I'll hand you over to Maxwell, and we'll get it up on the ramp and see what's what. It feels good, but is it actually good underneath?
Yeah, what does it look like?
Let's see.
Back at the cog, I identified the tyre that was losing pressure, and I pulled the wheel off the car to check for any visible punctures. With nothing to see, I left resealing the tyre for another day and got the Mini back into the workshop.
This series is sponsored by Napa, an epic partner for the channel. They're one of the oldest brands in the car space, and they're particularly handy at turning minis into track cars, considering they race these things. As well as being the current British touring car champions, Napa also runs a team in the Mini Challenge support series. Think of these things as my Mini, but with over £100,000 worth of upgrades and tuning crammed underneath. We might not be going this far with my car, but it's some serious inspiration. We'll be using the extensive network of motor factors that supply Napa OE quality parts for many of the fixes on my Mini, as well as their partners, like the aforementioned Brembo for brake upgrades, Valvoline for fluids, and Carlisle for tools. The same tools used by the BTCC team to make this whole project come together.
I've set Izzy a range of tasks to accomplish without my help, starting with task 1, identify the problem underneath the car.
That looks a bit dodgy.
It's fine. It's just a bit dirty, a little bit surface rusty. It's not structurally a problem. What you really want to be
I'm not
looking...
being funny, but a bit of it just fell off.
That's normal. If this was really rusty,
Okay.
then we'd be worrying about that.
There's bits of it falling off.
It's okay. Up here is all okay.
There's a leak.
There's a leak.
There's a leak.
What do you reckon that is?
Oil.
How? You just guess.
I just knew.
You just know.
Looks like oil.
It definitely looks like oil. It's very black. And yeah, that's coming from somewhere up here. We're going to have to inspect that at a later date.
Yeah, that's not good.
The first task was easy, but now I've got to change the spark plugs.
Number one, you got to pull that. Do you want to come around this side?
Okay.
Pull the rubbery thing.
The
just
whole
pull it,
thing.
the whole thing.
Like,
Just right up. Yep. Yep. Pull it up.
oh my gosh.
Yeah. So
That's it?
Yep. That's your HT leads.
It's already really technical and I'm scared of it. Oh, she's a tricky one. And in there,
That's where it is.
would you pull it? Okay, something's just happened and I don't know what it was. Something's just happened.
Okay.
Like
Doing
that.
well.
Is
Yeah.
am I doing that
You're
right?
doing it. You're doing the thing.
But is anything happening?
You tell me you're the one doing
I don't
it.
know.
Is it? Does it feel like it's
I
loosening?
don't know.
I think you're doing it.
I've got it.
You have got it.
Yes.
Well done. One spark plug out. New spark plug needs to go in. Get it really close and center in the hole. Just get it in there. Really close. Put it all the way down and then just gently drop it.
But I can't get it gently down.
Just drop it.
But what if it smashes? You just told me not to drop
Not on
it.
the floor, like just a little. Whoop, go on. There you go.
Oh. Okay,
So
that was
it
fine.
didn't have to go very far down,
No.
so that's okay.
I think I'm being a bit dramatic.
I think you
I
are, but
don't
it's
actually
okay.
think
A
it's
bit
that
of
bad.
drama's okay. It's better to be more dramatic than not. It makes mechanics interesting.
Okay, down we go.
Does it feel like it's going in okay?
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah.
Good.
It won't move anymore.
Okay, so now we need this baby.
Oh my gosh, heavy. Oh yeah. It clicked.
Is that clicking? Yep, that did click. That's good.
Done.
Done. One done.
Yes.
Now you can do the other three and I can go and have a cup of coffee.
Sure, yeah.
Is it not coming up?
Right, just bear with me, right? Just because it is fiddly. Oh, I've got it.
Hey! Good stuff. Grab that for you.
Thank you,
There
assistant.
we go. So that spark plug's done.
I can confidently say that I have changed 4 spark plugs.
And you did it good. You did well.
I got there in the end.
You did well.
It was a little bit tricky, but now I know.
Next up on the checklist is an oil and filter change. Hopefully, I don't get splattered. I started by loosening the oil filter and then raised the ramp to an appropriate height.
And what you're going to need is this fancy tool. That's your sump plug. That's where your oil comes from.
Yeah.
You're going to have to give it a crack.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared. You've done so good so
Yeah,
far.
but
No, it's not like...
no, but that's the vibe I'm getting.
It is not the Deepwater Horizon. It won't explode. It's just... Yeah, you put your back into it.
Well, I am
I'll
putting my
hold it.
back into it, but
Wow, that is tight. Okay. Do you want
yeah,
me to have
that, I think
I'll try.
with the magic of you, we can.
I'll try and do this.
I'm scared of it.
There we go. Okay.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
wanna-
I don't love this.
Full send.
I'm scared.
I'm scared because I've got to catch
Well,
the
why
oil.
are you scared? If you're scared,
I
then
have
what
to
am I
catch the
supposed
oil.
to do?
And don't drop the plug into the
Oh,
thing.
for goodness sake!
All right, I think that's nearly off now.
It's
Okay.
It's like
Yeah, yank. Oh, you nearly done it. You did good.
it's really heavy.
That sounded like, was it click? Did that click?
That's
Yeah,
clicking like
that's
that.
clicking. That's your 25 newton meters. Spray around here, spray up there, and just wipe and just get rid of as much of this
Of all of the stuff
oil
on this
around the
silver
sump
bit.
plug. Yeah, just as much as you can. Just be generous. You're way too close. I'll show you what to do. Let me show you how mechanics do it.
Okay, Mr. Mechanic.
Let me show you how it's done. You're being far too generous. You go,
Oh. Yeah.
use it. Just use it
That
generously.
was slightly more violent
Yeah,
than
violence.
what I was doing.
Let it all out. There we go. It's looking good.
It is actually
Looking
really
hella
good
clean.
stuff. Happy?
I'm happy. You happy?
I'm happy.
Okay, we're all happy.
We've got to change the oil filter. That's
Yeah.
our next job.
That is your next job.
My next job.
Yeah.
So I'm
you
gonna
already loosened it.
pull it.
Pull it. Just pull it towards you. It should be loose. It will come out with the filter in it. Good stuff.
This.
Oh, okay. The filter's not in it, but yeah, plonk that over there.
Okay.
The filter is still there. Can you see it?
Oh yeah. I've got
Yeah. Pull it. Just yank it out.
There it is.
And just whip that on there.
After checking the filters matched, I replaced the housing seal and fitted the new filter.
It doesn't need to be superhero tight.
Okay.
I know you're super strong,
I am
but this
incredibly
is
strong.
not the time to exercise that
Right,
strength.
what I've done is
How's it going? That feels like it's going a very long way. Oh, you all right?
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, good, you got it.
It's just a lengthy process.
It is. There you go. That's
Done.
good. Yeah, doesn't need to be super tight. That looks. I'm not going to check it.
Are you sure?
I fully feel like that was good.
Okay,
It
cool.
looked good. Right. So the oil is out.
Now we need to put oil in it.
See,
Let's do it.
that's there, isn't it?
Okay, now what we do?
Now we have to do the one most fiddliest pain in the backside job, which I hate doing. Every car I hate doing this on. So you're going to do it. And I'm not even going to give you that much help. It's the cabin filter.
Now, my size could benefit me here when changing the cabin filter, but we'll see.
There's a little panel under there,
Right.
and you've got to pry it down. And then once you've got the panel down, you're going to have to pull the filter out. It's kind of at a banana shape.
Okay.
It looks like it won't come out.
But it will. Okay.
Here's your tool.
Ooh, it's a bit tricky to get to.
It is tricky. Oh, that sounded like breakage. Has he got it down already?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not my car.
Look.
I'll tell the customer you broke it.
I don't think that's broken.
Oh no, that's fine. Oh no, it's all
I
right.
think
Yeah.
that's meant to come off.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. You're the professional.
It's fine.
You're the mechanic. Is it kind of banana shaped?
Yeah.
Yeah. Slide that puppy out of there. Good stuff.
Ta-da.
Well done.
Feed it up.
Banana that up in there. It does kind of have little rails it kind of slides through.
Oh yeah.
You right there, buddy?
I hate this. Just go in.
You got the other one out so easy. You made it look pro.
Okay, we're getting somewhere.
You get in there. Happy to get out of this job. I hate pollen filters. How's it look like from your side?
Dodgy.
I'll have a quick look before you.
I mean, I just think now it's like got a bit more of a twist on it.
Do you want me to? I'll have a little look. See. That looks good. Oh yeah.
See?
Yeah. You've kind of missed the thing.
You know, it's really important to learn how to delegate, and this is one of those times where I think Maxwell needs the practice. He says he doesn't like this job, and he finds it quite difficult. So,
Sin.
and then he's just done it. So, well done.
The final task. Now we'll see if I've messed up anywhere, as it's time to start the car and have a look.
So I'm going to start the car now. If it doesn't start, I've really messed up. So fingers crossed it all works. Okay, are we ready? Easy, easy. So there we go, service done on my very first project car. Next time you see me, I'm going to be fitting it with all the mods.